Welcome back to the Daily Gang. Big Easy here, above ground. Figured I'd make sure I did today's because, well, tomorrow's might not happen. So we are here, a little change of scenery for the daily. Uncle Bobo, just Jake.
Hey.
That is one cavernous hole that got the 70 440 put in it. It's still, like, leave a comment, guys. How do you think it happened? What caused this person to source out a 70 block? I mean, it could have been anything. We should get that ignition box off of there out of the rain.
Drop a valve, drop a rod.
Who knows? But, like, I mean, you got to remember, right? Yeah. In whatever year it got done.
Yeah, it was probably $100 for
a block. It was a short block.
440 short block.
Yeah.
Probably $100 out of the closest.
They were still, you know, if it was 77, they were still making them brand new in cars. People didn't realize the big differences then. Mm. You know.
And if it was after the gas crunch, they would have been giving the bloody things away.
Mm-hmm. Same with this car. Yeah. It, even at, 5 years old, it wouldn't have been worth a whole lot of money. So we had a couple people ask what pulled the car back. This is Jake's rock crawler. It's rough around the outside, but she's a machine for sure. There's the old XJ. Does this thing have a name?
Faith.
Faith?
Yeah.
Fair enough.
It's long past hope.
Yeah. Faith, because she's long past hope. Hey, this Old Faithful should be this thing's name.
Well, that was from our last trip to
How many times has it been on its side?
On its side twice.
Twice, and you dropped a tree on it last time you had it out.
So I dropped a tree on it and popped the roof back out.
Yeah, and don't let the multi-panels and garbage bag fool you. It's a running, driving rock crawler. It's just, he doesn't use it for daily.
I rubbed a tree last time I was out and popped the window.
Oof.
Just caught the door handle and just...
Well, I needed a new door anyways.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I got a set of doors for it. I got a bunch of stuff for it that needs to get done. It's, well, I got the 1 tons and the 40s sitting right there.
Yeah.
That'll be the next big thing for this little girl.
There's the 40s.
It'll be a page 1 rewrite this time.
Yeah, and that Chrysler is coming out of there, gang. Yeah. I know it looks sad and tragic. We should do a revival on that and get her running.
Yeah.
I think we should.
She needs a quick cleanup.
Leave a comment, guys. If you want to see us try to get this old Chrysler running, then let us know, and we'll do it. No promises, but there's the old gold wing.
Yeah.
Classic. Bunch of crux. Yeah, so leave a comment, gang. We'll give it a shot and see if we can get her to go. What's in that car, Jake? A 361 big block?
That's the 361.
And then, of course, we got the short box that was slated to be on the... Come pop the hood, Bobo. This thing should already be being worked on, although it's on hold.
Yeah.
She's a bit rusty in the hood area, that's for sure. Ugh. But thanks to X-Line Custom Auto. So, gang, we were going to Hemi swap this. The Hemi's now going to go in Bobo's Chevy pickup. So what should we put in here? A big block, a Hemi? Should we chassis swap this thing? I have all the stuff to make the body mint again. It will be as soon as possible. It's coming out of the backyard here. And we'll at least get pressure washed and cleaned to keep it in the shape it's in. We're lucky here, gang. There's no salt. So that is only about a month of pine needles. It gets cleaned off.
Yeah. You know what trick I wish I still had that would the frame would have fit on this?
That short box 2011 or
14
14 Ram. Short box, reg cab, 2-drive, 14 Ram. Yep. It does have cool mag wheels, though. Not these ones, the ones on the back. I got to find... I had 2 of them. I don't know where the other 2 went. But, yeah, this is an Adventurer 1970 D100 Adventurer factory air conditioning truck. The air conditioning emblem's in the back window. I can't get to it. And originally, it had a 318 in it. And then they put a 413 in it because the guy blew up the 318. And then somebody stole his 413 out of it. And then when I got it, it had no engine. So it's factory straight axle, crazy power assist steering. And yeah, it'll get everything. Probably, I'm thinking a chassis swap. Although this chassis is in good shape. I don't know. we're going to save it. That's all that matters. The grill's actually in really good shape. It's got one little D-wang right there. So, yeah, I mean, it's just a matter of time. Thanks for watching the videos, everybody. The more views, the better. We can't thank you enough. And thanks, everyone, for watching, subscribing, commenting. Let us know if you want to get that Chrysler going. You know, let me know if we should put the Hemi in here instead of Bobo's C10.
Put a Corvette engine in my 67.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Well, it'd be really, we'd get them going. We put a LSA in this thing. I don't mind LS engines.
LS in this one, and a Hemi
Yeah,
in the
put a
67
Hemi in the
Chevy.
67 Chevy, and we'll put an LS, whatever it is, LSA or whatever, the supercharged one in this.
In this.
Or we can steal Jake's eBay supercharger when he's not looking. And yeah, that Richard Holdner did a thing on it. I seen his video today. All right, gang. Well, let us know what you think. And there's the Chrysler. Anybody out there need any Chrysler parts? 74 Yorker, some skirts. There's a lot of rust. The roof is rotten. Yeah, if you need anything, let us know. Elwood. Will Elwood actually appear on camera? There he is.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. Oh, he's a good boy. Who's a good boy?
The big fluff.
Elwood's like, what are you guys doing?
He's eyeing me down. He's gonna eat me. Come on.
Yeah, Bobo's afraid of Elwood. He's gone. All right, buddy. All right, say goodbye, Jake.
Bye, bud.
Peace.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Community, not competition. Cheers.
Bye.